If you love the scent of candles but worry about open flames, smoke, or safety, today's product might be a game changer. The Nitowolf Candle Warmer Lamp with Timer. It's a stylish piece that warms your candle from above, lights your room, and saves you from the worry of using an open flame in your home. What first catches your eye is the look. This candle warmer lamp has a sleek, modern design with a gold finish, along with a white fabric shade that diffuses the light softly. It stands about 11.5 inches tall and roughly 5.9 inches wide. It fits nicely on a side table or even a shelf, and the metal body feels solid because it's designed to be used with jar candles. While it doesn't try to be overly complex, it just looks good and blends in nicely. It features a timer setting that you can change from 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours before it will automatically cut off, letting you set it up and forget it, making it great if you drift off to sleep or just happen to leave the house. It also comes with stepless dimming, which means you can adjust the brightness of the lamp to fit your mood, while also gently melting the wax of your candle so the scent fills the room. And since it warms the candle from the top, it uses bulbs. It comes with two 50-watt GU10 halogen bulbs, which is great because you have an extra one on backup before you need to restock. You get the candle's fragrance and glow without an open flame or smoke filling up your home, making this safer around kids, pets, or if you just prefer low maintenance ambience. I've set this candle warmer up on the side of my desk and used standard jar candles. And with the lamp turned on, the wax melted evenly, with the scent filling the room faster than a candle flame often does. And I didn't hear any crackle or had to worry about open flame safety. And found that the dimmable light settings is super nice for relaxing movies or just winding down. If you're someone who likes the candle vibe but wants to be safer with longer lasting use, this fits pretty well. Not to mention it works super well with multiple different size candles. So this was a great addition to my home. So the Nitowolf Candle Warmer Lamp with Timer is a smart pick for anyone who wants the mood, fragrance, and glow of candles without dealing with the flame, soot, or smoke. It hits the style and safety notes well. If you're ready to upgrade your candle game or just looking for that gift for someone special, this candle warming lamp is definitely an option I would look into. If you'd like to check out this candle warmer for yourself, I have all the links and details located in the description. And let me know in the comments what type of lighting gear do you like to use, as well as if you have any types of candle scents you think I should check out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.